Today I'm going to do another vlog, day in the life, after work edition. I just got off work and I'm rushing, so why am I filming? I don't know. To go to the DMV to renew something, and then I think I'm going to might get a haircut. The lady I usually go to, she doesn't like stay open long, and like I haven't been able to get days off work off lately. I'm going on vacation this week on Friday and it's Monday, so I'm thinking I'm gonna go to Great Clips with my boyfriend because he usually gets his haircut there. After that, I need to pack, and if we have time, I'm gonna try to play pickleball, but if not, it's fine, but I would prefer to. That needs to be cleaned, ew. The DMV closes at 5 o'clock and it's currently 4:28. We actually live like really, this is my boyfriend by the way. We live really close to the DMV, like 3 minutes away. To get in, there's usually always a line in the DMV, but they have chairs, so that's nice. You get to sit down. I need a Dr. Pepper, so maybe we'll be able to go to Sonic and stop for a Dr. Pepper. What do you think? It's kind of a busy day, but I'm really hoping we'll have time. And by busy, I mean like having more than like one thing to do is busy to me. I think I forgot my phone at home, but I think we're going right after Sonic. This was literally the fastest trip to the DMV. There was like a lot of people sitting down, but nobody was doing it to renew. My picture is like weird, like my hair's like flipped up halfway, and then this side is like straight down, like there's no hair, like it looks like my hair's short on one side and long on one. So I'm kind of upset about that, but it happens. What should we order? Dr. Pepper, like I normally do. I just got home and my phone was literally sitting on my desk. Go to Great Clips soon, and I'm gonna check out like how much it costs and everything to get a haircut. It's really messy, and if I'm looking not in the camera, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. There's one right in front of me. I have to pack, or start to pack at least. Like I don't necessarily have to do it today, but I feel like a lot of stress will be relieved if I do. Yeah, we got our Dr. Pepper and it tasted amazing. I think my boyfriend's having a little snacky snack. Our room's such a mess, please ignore it. When I get back from my haircut, or I'll do like a before of like my hair, and then after if I do end up getting a haircut. It looks like it's busy from the outside, but I don't know about the inside. Great Clips, never been. Oh, we were closing early today at 5 p.m. Okay, that was a fail. Okay, it said they were closed at 5 p.m. and it's currently 5 o'clock exactly, actually. 5 o'clock exactly. So we're walking to Dollar Tree now because we need to get some flavor packets, and I just like going to Dollar Tree, so yeah. Flavor packets right in the front. Only 31 cents. Okay, we're gonna get 2 of these. The Peeps. This one's my favorite. Are you getting any? Should we get one of these? It's for 31 cents. Okay, there's some more. I can't even see orange. Strawberry pineapple. I'm gonna get that. Oh.
Peach tea.
I'm gonna see if they have hot sauce, because I remember whenever I needed hot sauce and I didn't have it.
Yeah.
You seem so happy to be here.
I'm tired.
Looks like they have some options. I feel like Louisiana? Yeah. Okay, so Dollar Tree was a pretty good success, to be honest. A lot of flavor packets. Got some hot sauce, all that good stuff. You guys saw. I don't know why I'm recapping. But we are heading home now. And I think I'm going to put all these away. And I think we're gonna make dinner, which I picked up a box of mac and cheese while we were there, because we were gonna eat a bowl of cereal, but I think I saw mac and cheese. I was like, why not just get that to make? And then I think I'm going to try to pack a little, or at least for my outfits for vacation. And then if I feel like it, I'm gonna see if Dylan wants to play pickleball, because I'm kind of like in the mood where I'm like not even working out. But I'm also in a sweatshirt. I'm like not even working out and I'm like already dying, so we'll see how it goes. But how do you feel about pickleball, like at a standpoint right now? What do you think?
Yeah, for a little bit. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, this is dinner. I know it looks amazing, but I'm gonna eat dinner. I start editing my video. My boyfriend's practicing the ukulele because he got it for his birthday. What's up? But we're gonna eat dinner and then I'm gonna try to pack and then see what time it is and then do pickleball. Or honestly, we might pickleball before I pack just because it might get dark soon. So yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, last night we ordered we ordered a couple things from Amazon for my GoPro. So we're gonna open it up. I got like a case, SD card, tripod, I think. Okay, I opened it off camera, but I'm just gonna dump it out. I think this is the waterproof case. Okay, next bag. Oh, is the SD card not in here? Okay, so I got this like floating like tripod for when we go to the beach. And then there's also like this one. Oh, sorry for the background yelling. It's like a flexible, I didn't know it was flexible. It's like a little tripod for it. So let's test all of these out. Okay, the tripod's on, and so is the case. So it's a lot heavier, but it looks like a mess, but I kind of have my outfit. I have one outfit right here, and then another top is like 2. And then this is for my skirt, which is, it's a mess over there. And then I have this dress. So 1, 2, 3, 4 fancier ones. And then I have these 2 tops I'm gonna bring. And then I have these 2 pairs of jeans. We're packing it. It's helping me fold it because it just makes it more compact and smaller. Dill Cam. Tell them what we're doing.
We're pickleballing. And we're on this tennis court. Can't know about because it's a secret location.
Ew, stop. Okay. Got my hydro flask season, but this is Dylan's. I don't know if I showed them yours, but I showed them mine. Mine's this pink one. And we're probably gonna film a little bit of pickleball and we'll practice with just me and him. And then we'll go against his brother and his girlfriend. Okay, you're recording.
We just won. We beat them. They suck. It was 10-1. They got 1 point. Better luck next time, y'all.
We lost.
Amy's just staying humble.
Should I ask the opposing team if they got anything to say?
Only does.
Ask Deacon. Here.
He lost.
Someday he'll get a win.
He
Someday.
lost. This is our channel, not yours. Stay humble.
Just got back. I'm looking rough and I'm sweating. Just a little update. The room's still a mess. Maybe even messier. No, it's definitely messier. Like I'm just packing. Okay, this was already there. I'm packing my makeup and my skincare. I'm officially like basically done packing. My boyfriend's zipping everything up. I just have to. What's funny?
You're officially basically done.
Yeah, I would give you a tour, but I like before pickleball, I was literally getting such a bad headache from it. Actually, I'm gonna tell you like the rundown of tonight and then tomorrow. So my goals for tomorrow is to clean the room, and then what else? Oh, and I'm gonna try to get a haircut at Great Clips because yeah, I really want to get a haircut. And then my goals for tonight is to chill out. 49, yeah, definitely almost my bedtime. I'm gonna shower. And I think that's basically it. I'm probably going to edit this video. But I think I'm going to end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video vlog.